braided pork loin with homemade barbecue sauce, guys. Let's get involved. Woo! Hello and welcome to BBQ Jams. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight we've got a killer cook. We're gonna be cooking up a braided pork loin with a homemade barbecue sauce. It's gonna be killer. So who is on the roster tonight? We have Cary Jordan and Steve Wheeler and myself, Will Bloomberg, playing drums. So without further ado, here we go. Boom! We're gonna dry this off. We're gonna pat this down. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean all this fat off of here. Any kind of silver skin or extra fat, let's go ahead and remove that because we're not gonna want that. So now that we've removed a majority of all the fat off this thing, there's a little bit here and there, but nothing crazy. We're going to turn this into a braid. So we're gonna make two long cuts on this, and I think I'm gonna make it from this direction. So what you're gonna do is kind of go to a third, and you're gonna sink down with your knife, and you're just gonna pull it all the way down. There we go. Boom, just like that. And then we're gonna do another third. Like that. Boom. Perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna go on with some BBQ Jams Rub, which, by the way, you can pick up at the merch company. And Jeff, what's that website again?
Shopthemerchco.com.
Shopthemerchco.com. Check it out, guys. It is incredible. It goes on all sorts of great meats. So
there's a link below.
There's a link below, somewhere here. So anyway, here we go. Going in with some rub. This doesn't need a binder. Okay, so now it's time to braid this guy up. So we're gonna go like so. Here, 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 turn, and then boom, there you go. Now you've got a nice pork loin braid. And you could use a toothpick or some kind of wood skewer here if you like to hold that together. I think I'm just gonna use some butcher's twine here. And that's it. We're gonna pop it on the pit. We're gonna be about 250, and we're gonna wait for the internal temp to come up on this, so here we go. All right, so we're getting ready to pop this on the green egg. We're cooking with some charcoal, and we're doing an indirect cook. We're gonna be using this Meter Plus probe, and I'm gonna be sticking, so I'm gonna hold this really still so Jeff can get a good shot of that. There's a little notch right here. You wanna make sure you insert the meat all the way up to that notch, at least, or a little bit past if you like. But that's the notch you wanna get past. Do you have that, Jeff?
Yep.
Okay, cool. And we're gonna stick that back here. Just like that. I'm gonna show you guys here in just a second how I dial it up on my phone. So surgeon's knot on the end here. We're gonna do a double twist. I'm gonna pull, just like so. It'll hold itself. And we're gonna do one final knot on top. Pulls it all together, and that's it. All right. We've got the green egg going. Time to go on with our braided pork loin. All right, there we go. We'll see you guys back here in just a moment. You guys enjoy these jams, like and subscribe. Come on, people, let's get involved. Meter Plus is hooked up. We're gonna go to pork. We're gonna go to loin, charcoal grill. We're looking for our temperature for about 145. Okay, so that's what we're doing. It's calculating right now. And we'll be back to you guys here in just a minute and show you where it's landed. So it's estimating cook time right now. So anyway, we'll be right back. All right, so let's jump into this homemade barbecue sauce. Guys, you gotta try this, it's gonna be so good. So I'm gonna show you guys what we're working with so far. We've got a cup of ketchup. We also have a half a cup of mustard, half a cup of white vinegar. We have half a cup of sugar. We have 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne, and 2 teaspoons of our chili powder. So let's go ahead and combine all this. We're gonna bring this to a boil and then I'll let it come back down. You can put this in a jar and it'll probably keep for about a week. So anyway, here we go. All right, looking good. We're gonna let this set up here for a few moments, let this kind of come up and simmer a little bit, and then we're gonna shut it down. So anyway, hope you guys are enjoying these jams. Come on, let's get involved, people. Okay, so we have about 10 minutes left on this cook. Let's go ahead and glaze up this guy. So come on. Oh my Lord, look at that, guys. Braided pork loin. Here we go. Okay, hope you guys are enjoying these jams. We'll be right back here in just a minute. You guys like, subscribe, you know the drill. Come on. Okay guys, moment of truth, we're up to temp. 145, let's pull it. Oh baby, look at that. Let me get this guy out of the shot. Wow guys, check it out. Woo! All right. Oh God, there it is. That's a monster.
Have some meat.
Yes.
You good?
Check her out. Does.
It's like challah bread or whatever.
Oh my god. Oh wow, guys. Check her out. Woo! We're gonna let this rest for about 5 to 7 minutes. We'll be right back. You guys enjoy these jams, like and subscribe. Come on, everybody, let's go. Okay. Oh man. Braided pork loin with homemade barbecue sauce, guys. Let's get involved. Woo! Let's cut into this, guys. Let's get involved with this thing. Holy smokes. Here we go. Oh man, check that out. Oh man, come on. Come on, people. All right, I gotta go in for a bite real quick. I gotta go in for a bite. All right, here we go. That's jam. That is the jam. Woo! We gotta get some people to get involved over here, guys. Who's ready to come on over? Cary, Jordan? You come on in? Yeah. Come on, baby.
Put me in, coach.
I'm putting you in, bro. What's going on?
What's up, man?
Dude, thanks for being here tonight. What? Appreciate you, buddy.
All right.
You can get some of that right there. We have a little extra barbecue sauce over here.
Yeah,
we're
we're
do a little
gonna
dipping.
let's grab this guy right here.
Going for the dipping. Oh my god, that's ridiculous.
We're gonna get a little dippy out of
So
this one.
juicy.
Ready?
Oh man, you're going in.
Oh man.
You're going in, bro. Come on. Oh my god. Silly, right?
Wow, it's really good.
Gonna give you some energy for some jamming tonight?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, bro.
I'm ready to slap some bass on it.
All right, cool. All right, bro. I can't wait to hear.
Why
it,
wouldn't you
bro.
want to slap bass after having this?
I was
pork
gonna
in
say,
it?
dude, this is ridiculous. This is so cool. Nice. We got any other takers over here? Martine, you want to come in?
All right.
So good.
Yeah.
Look
Look how tender that is, man. The perfect mouth.
I mean, come on.
Bite right there.
Come on.
All right, Martine,
Come
you're
on
up, buddy.
in, bro.
All right.
What's up, dude?
What's up?
Thanks for hanging tonight.
Yes,
Being
sir.
part of the show as always.
I gotta say, these things smell incredible.
It really does.
Incredible.
It's incredible, dude. Nice. And you can do a little
I gotta-
dippy in the
I gotta-
barbecue sauce too if you want.
Okay.
Or you could go just raw.
You know what? No, I'm good.
Oh man. Oh man.
Amazing.
Amazing.
This
Bro,
is incredible,
come
man.
on.
Wow.
Yeah, dude. Yeah. Woo!
Wow.
All right, we got to get some other takers over here. James Salzer, you want to come in, buddy? Come on.
Let's go, Homer.
Come on, James. We have another newcomer over here, too. We got my buddy Josh over here. He's going to get involved with the piece over here, too. Just hang on.
Josh.
Whoa. Mazzy's just waiting for her
Oh,
piece.
yeah.
She is so waiting.
don't cheat Mazzy.
No, can't cheat
Oh,
Mazzy.
man.
Do you want to give her an official bite?
Oh, okay, not that's too big, isn't it? Or
No,
is it?
well, you do whatever you want.
That's
dude.
for you,
Take it,
man.
Go for it.
Oh, that's for me. Let me.
Yeah.
Oh. It's lean and it's
Oh, yeah.
good. It's flavorful. It's perfectly cooked. It's wonderful.
Yeah, there we go. We got it.
Really good.
You still need to put a bell out here.
I know, I totally need a cowbell or something there. Josh Barrett, come on in, Bubba. How's it going, dude?
hey.
They gave me some elbow. I got stuff on my hands.
Thank you.
Yeah, bro, absolutely. So, quick story. Josh is the one that introduced Steve Wheeler to me. And that's how I got Steve Wheeler on this show. So, thank you so much, bro.
I love that.
And I'm gonna hook you up with some swag here in just a little bit.
I can't wait. I'm
So-
real glad to be here.
Oh man,
Real
well,
happy.
you're gonna be really happy after you get a piece of this
Yeah.
pork, bro. Do you want to try some of it with some barbecue barbecue sauce, or go for it, bro.
yeah.
Grab a piece and go for it.
Are you
dude.
gonna throw it? Can I dip right in there?
Dude, that's what we do, man.
All right,
Come on.
I'm doing it.
Don't be shy.
Double dip, but we'll take the dip.
Don't be shy.
Oh yeah,
Get it in there, buddy. Get it in. That's what I'm talking about. Bro, come on, man. Come on.
Thank you.
Josh is getting involved. We're having a good time over here, people. This is what I'm
Great.
talking about.
That's tasty. That is tasty.
All right, I got.
Thank you.
You are more than welcome. I'm gonna hook up Mazzy with a quick bite too, real quick. You're gonna do the official taste tester here. Mazzy, you ready, girl? Yeah. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there it is. It's gone. It is gone. All right, guys, we're gonna be right back. We're gonna catch you back here in a minute. Sorry. Hey guys, we had a great jam session tonight and the food was spectacular. We had a great time. What do you think, guys?
Oh my God.
It's pretty much the same, right?
You lied, you lied.
It's very nice, very nice.
Very nice.
Braided pork roll.
Yeah, man. Oh man, you guys have got to try this. It is so good. The sauce turned out incredible. By the way, I've got my buddy Josh over here, and I'm gonna hook him up
Appreciate you.
with a hat and a shirt because it's official now. What's up, buddy? How's it going?
Thank you.
Dude, my pleasure. My
This is
pleasure.
great. This is
Yeah,
awesome.
man. Well, you know, we do what we can over here at BBQ Jams, and
Thanks.
I want to hook you up with this
Thanks.
hat.
I'd love to switch it out, man.
Yeah,
Thanks.
dude. And I
Thank
hook you up with a
That's badass.
BBQ Jam shirt.
Thank you.
Oh, nice. Looking good,
That's
buddy.
it.
Looking
It's
good.
perfect. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Sweet, you're welcome. Hey, man, it's official. You've officially been
Happy.
BBQ Jams.
Yeah, bro.
Woo! Anyway, so guys, please like, subscribe. Thank you so much, Derek Enner, for all the swag as usual. And guys, we're gonna catch you guys next time. Peace.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right. Yeah, dude, absolutely.
All
Woo!
right.
Good.
All right, let's make a braided pork loin. Boom! Come on, people. I know I got problems. It's terrible. I should have braided my hair for this episode. That would have been really cool. You want to braid it for me, Cary? Should I come back over here
Rolling, rolling, rolling.
hang out with these
and my
guys?
ass is rolling right.
and no, I need to come around because I got to give Josh a shirt and hat. So
I wish you'd make up your mind, but I'm getting blooper. I'm getting bloopers for days at this point.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah, I
Bloopers
do
for
look
days.
pretty bad. I'm sorry.
That's what this is the blooper show.